So, I'm in Bolivia, just back there's the border with the walk. Was pretty easy, then going to Copacabana and then LaPaz. Last country outside of Europe and probably last land border. Nice. Finally, after I don't know how many hours of delay, I'm here. The first plan was to be here at 10 AM. Now it's 5:30 PM. So, good morning. Now I'm sitting in front of the office and waiting for the bus and then going mountain biking the Death Road. I'm really excited, a little bit too much excited. I couldn't sleep a lot in the night, but yeah, I'm really excited.
Something happens.
Something happens.
It's not the guide's fault. I promise. Finish this tour. Have a lots of fun. In the life. When I survive, I promise. Tip the guys very well. Finally, after 3 days of just being in the hostel and a one-time hospital, I can go out. I'm feeling better. It's way better. So I want to go to the one San Francisco church. There's the walking tour, and yeah, then let's see. Here in LaPaz it's really cool. There's a lot of mountains and the city is in the mountain. They have a lot of gondolas. I think right now they have 8 different gondola lines going around. So here in LaPaz, because of the mountain, what I told you before, it's really hard to have a subway system. They did the cable cars and it's amazing. The view is, I'm already on the top of the city and you can see through the mountains back the snow, and it's like here above the streets, so it's really cool and it's getting more and more. So if you be in LaPaz, definitely do it. There's a tour where you do it by your own, how you want it, but it's definitely worth it. Now, special time. I'm going to the bus station and then I have my last long distance bus ride on this journey. Last one. It's crazy. Now everything goes to the last. So, normally we should be already way long in Santa Cruz. Now we're 2 hours before Santa Cruz. And now there's a middle of the street a strike. Alright guys, so that was Bolivia. It was an amazing country, but pretty short stay. And with my Samonella, I didn't saw everything. My plan was to do the Death Road experience. I did it, and the Uni, the salt flat, but I didn't saw this. And yeah, but now it's just a flight to Europe, back to Europe, and soon I will see all my family, and I'm super excited now. But it was a nice time, and yeah, so let's see.